What's up, everybody? This is Carl from Techful Goodies, and today we are doing some home security upgrades thanks to our friends from Tapo and TP-Link. So as you know, I moved to a new state, I have a new house, and I thought about upgrading my security here, but I'm so happy with the previous Tapo security camera that I put on the front of my house. I actually talked with my parents and said, hey, we need to upgrade your security because they live on a very secluded cul-de-sac in a place that there's not a lot of foot traffic and not a lot of car traffic. So they've had a lot of people sort of coming to their house and situations where I feel like they should have a little bit better security. So in order to do that, we have two things here. We have the Tapo DL110, which is their smart Wi-Fi door lock and deadbolt, and their Tapo C615F KIT, which is their battery-powered pan-tilt floodlight camera kit with solar panel. Now, I have the other one that I'll leave the video up here if you're interested in just watching. It's in my tech haul. You'll be able to see examples of the video and stuff like that, but I will show you the installation of this at their house, show you how easy it is to put up, show you some of the app stuff, show you the camera, show you the deadbolt working and all that kind of stuff. So just in general here, looking at the camera, this is a 2K resolution camera, person, pet, and vehicle detection free. Now that's very important. I have other cameras that I just don't use anymore because they make you sign up for their cloud service in order to get that AI detection. This is all free. And the cool thing is you can sign up for their cloud service. That's just fine. Or you can use the SD card. So there is a local storage of up to 512 gigabytes. That means you can buy it, use it, and not feel like you're required to go and get one of their subscriptions. Motion sensing floodlight, continuous power panel. Like I said, I have the one that I have on my house here, and I wanted to put the solar panel on the roof, but I just haven't gotten up there. So I kind of just zip tied it to one of the posts, and it literally gets sun for, I don't know, maybe 2 hours a day. It's 100% charged all the time. It never needs any more than that. So I was really impressed by that. So this should be similar. 360 AI tracking, meaning it's going to go all the way around, and a wire-free installation because you're using the solar panel. For the Wi-Fi door lock, 1-year battery life, rapid fingerprint recognition, guest access codes, remote control, Bluetooth access, 2 physical backup keys, and it just replaces your standard deadbolt. I like the fact that these are in the same ecosystem. I have so many apps for all my smart stuff. I probably have 5 or 6 to 8 different apps. Now, so having one app where everything is in there, I think is just important for like the simplicity of your life. I also wanted to mention it, the camera does have patrol mode, so that basically will go back and forth on its own. I've found it's not necessary on my camera because it has such a wide range of view. It'll pick up anyone and then look right at them and follow them up my driveway. You can talk two-way audio. You can set up alarms if you want. Now, it wouldn't work at my house because there's a lot of car traffic, foot traffic just going by. But at their house, having an alarm that comes on when it detects somebody only during a certain night range would be nice. And again, local and cloud storage, which I think is very important. Let's see about this lock here. Remote control, you can unlock it from anywhere. It does have a built-in doorbell, which I think is nice. I'm not sure if you saw that on the front here, but this is part here is a doorbell, and this is for your fingerprint. So that's something I think is really cool too. So that's enough of me blabbing on about the features. Let's go ahead and get this installed at my parents' house. I'll show you the process, show you the footage, and then we'll come back and talk about it. So the unboxing and setup for this was very, very easy, especially the install. I mean, it's just 1 or 2 things. You can see my son here pulling out all the pieces. The main parts are the flange right there and the camera itself. All you really need to do when you're setting this up is kind of get all the pieces ready. And as you can see here, I'm kind of showing him how that goes on and how that sets up on the wall. So then we went ahead and took it out and attached it to the wall. It really just connected with the 2 main screws at the top there. And then once you have that on, you just kind of snap the camera in and you're pretty much good to go. I'll show you some examples here of the camera working. Here's my son walking by, it sort of tracks him, and of course there's me. And then here's my dad walking around the yard, kind of getting things cleaned up a little bit, but it's really nice how it'll sort of track who's ever in the yard and make sure that that person is in focus and sort of following them around. As far as the doorbell goes, here's the pieces for the doorbell that come in the box. It's just sort of the inner and the outer and a mounting bracket. It's very easy to do. You just kind of put in the stem there, get it connected to the door, and then add the outer piece and the inner sort of bracket. That's kind of like a support bracket. And then you have to just plug it in to the inner side, hook it up, test it out, get it all screwed in and get it set for appropriate use, and then test out the doorbell and then get the Tapo app set up. You can kind of set up all your codes and then set up your fingerprint. And once that fingerprint is set up, you're pretty much ready to go. And you can see here in a second when he tests it out, I love how fast it responds. You don't have to like hold your finger there for a long time to get it to work. It just works super fast. Alrighty, so that was the doorbell and the security camera installed, working great. Thanks again to Tapo TP-Link for sending this over. They've been a really good partner to me. And like I said, everything supports the channel. If you like this video, if it helped you out, give me a like, give me a subscribe. I'd love to see you back. But until next time, this is Carl from Techful Goodies, and I'm out.